dogs sure love playing fetch. Wow, that dog can dribble better than me. This dog knows every trick except catch LMAO.
So dumb. Put it in the drawer. Close it. Step back. Attention. Into the cage. Table. Sit. Shy. Lower your hands a bit. Hands down. Crawl. Bow your head. Sleep. Time out. Get down. Down. Crawl backward. Sit. Bite me.
It's the effort that truly matters. I can't believe the golden retriever was smart enough to use his paws.